should you use iCloud keychain to sense password on Mac and iPhone? iCloud keychain, the built-in password manager for iOS, iPads, Macs, and tvOS device, offer more feature than you might expect for a free option without sacrificing security. It simplifies tasks like creating strong password, saving credit card information and passkey, and generating two-factor authentication codes, all while sensing securely across your device. Learn about the security of iCloud keychain, sensing its features, its limitation, and whether you should use it to keep your login up to date across device, from auto-filling password in web browser and app to sharing login information using shared group. iCloud Keychain provides a range of features that make it a great option for Apple device user, and while many password manager require a monthly subscription, iCloud Keychain is completely free. Let's explore its capability to help you determine if iCloud Keychain is the right choice for your password management needs. How sure is Apple iCloud Keychain? The feature use encryption to store and transmit your saved items. According to Apple support, it never expose your saved data to Apple. All through keychain items pass through Apple server when sensing between device. They are encrypted in such a way that Apple and other devices cannot read their content. The company say iCloud keychain is so that your password remain protected even if your iCloud account is most people use iCloud keychain on their iPhone to save login for website and app. For example, you can save password for the Netflix app, your games membership, website, travel account, new subscription, and more. In addition to user and password, iCloud Keychain store the following information: credit card number, expiration date, and security codes, Wi-Fi password, two-factor authentication code, secure note in setting your name in iCloud password and keychain. You can turn iCloud sensing for password and keychain item on and off for each for your device. With this feature turned on, your device will sense all your keychain items automatically, keeping them up to date across iPhone, iPad, and Mac. However, just like you do not have to use Apple iCloud keychain, you also do not have to sense the data between all or any of your device. While there are no standalone iCloud keychain app or iPhone or Mac, it is easy to access all your keychain item. In setting password, there you will find the full searchable list of password along with security recommendation, sharing option, and the ability to create and save new password with the plus button. While you can manually create and save new keychain item in setting, iCloud keychain makes it easy to generate strong password and save new accounts as you are creating them on the web or in apps. For example, if you are signing up for a new account while using Safari, iCloud Keychain will suggest a strong password and let you edit or it. You can also tweak the suggest password by choosing easy to type or no special characters or edit